In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can upload a project on GitHub. So let's get started. So here we are in github.com, and from here the first thing that you need to do is to sign up for an account because you need an account to upload. So once you're here, click on the sign up button on the top right. And then from here you can now provide your email, password, username, your country, and then click and continue. All right, so now once you're logged in and signed up for your account, the next thing that you'd need to do is to just simply click here on create a repository right here, as you can see here on your dashboard. But if you don't have this, then no worries. Then you can just click here on this button right here. It says create new, so click there. And from here, you could go for new repository or you could import a repository, depending on how you'd like to upload a project on GitHub. So you could go for import and then you could provide a URL, your username, and then your access token, and then your new repository details, like the owner, and then the repository name. You can set this to public or private right here, depending on how you want your settings to be. So it will be subjective depending on what you need. And then once you're done setting it all up, just click here on begin import, and it should now be imported as your new project on GitHub. Next is that if you want to go for a new repository, then you could go for something like this. So you want to go here, and then from here you can now create a new repository, and then again who you'd want the owner to be. So you can search for owners and then repository name. Let's say that I'm gonna go for a sample project right there. See, it's available, and as you can see, it's available, so it's all good. Now you can provide a description about this repository or project of yours. So I'm just gonna go for this is just a sample, and then you can decide it's a public or private depending on how you'd want it to be. So in my case, I'll just go for public so anyone can see this. And then next is to initialize this repository with a readme file if you'd want that to be. And then you could add some git ignore. You can choose a license if needed, and then once you're satisfied with your settings, click on create repository. And then from here, it will now be created as you can see in here. And now you can add files into this project or repository, create a new file, or upload files in here so that you'd be able to add your necessary files for this project. You could also pin this if you'd want to, and so on. And then you should now be able to see that in here when you go into your profile. So that's it on how you'd be able to upload a project on GitHub. Just click here on a plus button, and then you can just upload whatever you want in here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.